Ever heard something that made you spill your tea, roll your eyes, or plain laugh out loud? Welcome to Say What Now TV, your place for daily content on tongue-slipping, mind-bending social issues and trending topics around the world. Be amazed, get annoyed, be entertained. Welcome to another episode of Say What Now TV. The banks in Jamaica are facing backlash to the ongoing increase of bank fees that have now risen above the usual negligible amount. All banks except for one or two are under fierce attack by the public. One bank announced that the bank fees are part of a simulation test designed to influence behavior change and reduce the risk of the spread of the pandemic. Claims are that the banking fees are used to support national response efforts in communities, and some banks have been able to show receipts. Banks that had no explanation for the exorbitant fees have simply delayed an increase in their fees until further notice. Some banks have also promised to implement measures that will assist low-income earners. Amidst the public outcry, some financial institutions were proud to announce their fee structures that were designed to attract the masses like moths to a flame. Nonetheless, the common thread message declared as justification for the rise in banking fees is that the fees are for the safety of the members and will provide support in response to the current national crisis. The masses disagree as they continue to experience a nibbling of their hard-earned income and savings, and they are beyond fed up. The worst is that the feasting on personal accounts by predatory financial institutions with their mountain of fees and the ever-present loan sharks have left the poor penniless. Share your views in the comments below and be sure to like, share and subscribe. Also check out another episode of Say What Now TV. Do you have a burning issue that would shock or entertain our viewers? Share your scoop at saywhatnowtv10@gmail.com.